Well, just you can see, that was the Ryanair Boeing 737 just seen come over anyway. Which, just you can tell, that was the Ryanair Boeing 737-800 just seen come over anyway. Which, as you can see, the registration is EI-EMO, it is. So yes, as you can see, that was the Ryanair Boeing 737 that just came over my place anyway. As you can see with the call sign call sign RYR69YC it is. Which by the looks of it, I think is going into Newquay Airport by the looks of it. Which, as you can see, he just flew in here just to about 1,035,000 feet anyway. So it's just flew in here to about 135,000 feet from here anyway. And then just from there, he kindly just dropped at 25,000 feet anyway. As he just kindly just flew over past me today apparently, but obviously in the very high feet today apparently. So yeah, he kindly just flew in a very high feet today apparently. So yeah, which as you can see, he's kindly dropping down into Newquay Airport I believe anyway, which I presume that's probably where it's going today I believe anyway. It's probably going into Newquay Airport today I believe anyway. If I go flight 24, it probably shows where it comes from anyway. So as you can see, the flight number is FR2954 it is. And as you can see, that's coming from Alicante and into Newquay Airport anyway. So where it's come from. So just you can see, he took off from Alicante this morning anyway. Took off from Alicante Airport anyway. Took off from Alicante apparently. So yeah, just got to think about what time he's just been taken off from anyway. There you go. So he took off probably just after 7 o'clock this morning anyway. So just took off from Alicante Airport just before 7 o'clock this morning anyway. So around 7:02 it took off anyway. Well yeah, so yeah, it took off probably around 7 o'clock this morning anyway from just at Alicante Airport. And then for some reason now it looks like it's probably going to Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, which I think by the looks of it is kind of the descending over to Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, it looks like we've got another aircraft coming in now, but I think that one's kind of the FA20 we're going to be able to see, but I don't know if we're going to be able to see that one or not anyway. But it looks more like we've got the FA20 coming over, but I can't tell where he is from here anyway. But obviously because it's too cloudy anyway, so yeah, it looks more like it's the Draken Aviation Services by the looks of it. But you know, can't see it though, but it's probably in the clouds. Yeah, can definitely hear it. Yeah, I can definitely hear it though, but obviously it's gone in the clouds anyway. Yeah, I could probably definitely hear it, but you could definitely hear it in the background, but obviously, you know, I think that one might be going into Newquay Airport as well anyway, I'm not sure. Anyway, I can definitely hear it in the background, but it's just, I can't even see it, it gets too cloudy. It's too cloudy around here anyway. Hopefully we might be able to see it at some point anyway. Okay, so, yep, that was the Ryanair Boeing 737 just see come over this morning now apparently. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.